Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 17th, 2025. I'm here at Huckins Yacht Center, and this is an after video of Amazing Grace. Before I show you the bottom, I do want to go over some of the zincs. There are two R3 zincs that are on the struts attaching the shaft to the hull. And there are four 2-inch shaft zincs, and I believe there are two bow thruster zincs, but it's pretty murky down there, so I'm going to try and get an extra long view of them with the camera to where I can cross-reference which exactly they are. Let's go ahead and check out the cleaning. Thank you for choosing GS Dive.